Alright, this is Brian. This is the first time I'm doing a video recording on my cell phone. I do have all the Google apps installed. This is videos for Kinesiology 205, and we're going to go through 5 Google apps that we can use for our careers in the future. So I've already gone through and created a Google folder and downloaded a bunch of the apps. You can get to Google Drive pretty easily. Go into the App Store as well as all the other apps. Matter of fact, let me show you that first. Go to Setting, I'm sorry. Go to the App Store. And you type in Google. And here you can find all of the apps that Google offers. You can see Google Drive, Google Photos, Google Maps, Home, Google Docs, YouTube, Calendar, Sheets, Slides, all the things we've been using on the computer, but for mobile. So let's look at Google Docs first. Click on Google Docs. As you see, you can create and edit documents. I'm gonna continue as me. As you can see, all of our things that we've been looking at so far are there. And here's an example of the file. If I wanted to edit this file, I can click on the little pencil on the bottom and say, now I am using my phone app. And click on the check mark, and there you go. So this document was updated on the phone, but is now also available through Google Drive and on your computer or tablet. Next, let's look at Google Calendar. Select your account, get started. I'm going to say don't allow access to my contacts right now. I don't use Google Calendar, I use Outlook, but you can use Google Calendar in much the same way, so we're going to set up our calendar. And as you can see, the calendar that has already been set up online, except for some of our other coursework, is available. So similar on the app, you can click the plus, click event. That's the event title. Let's say Google Calendar app, and let's just set it for all day. And of course you can go and add your colors and notes just like you normally would. Press save, and there you go. Have your Google app meeting or event created. Next we'll go to Google Sheets. You sign in as yourself. Same thing here. You can, one thing I didn't mention before, you can work offline, but we're online right now, and as you can see, we've got all of the Google Sheets that I've created already. Here's an example. Pretty simple. You want to modify a cell, you just click on it, just like you would with the mouse, but with your finger. And then you can select text colors. And just black is what I normally use. And then double click, and it's an extra day. That we can all use an extra day in the week. And on that extra day, what time we're gonna wake up? We're gonna wake up at, I don't know, let's say 9:30. There you go. So pretty useful. Click your check mark. You're done. It's updated. You can format it, play with it, do all those cool things that you want. But for the most part, that's how you use Google Sheets on your phone. And let's look at another one which is really useful, Google Maps. I know this isn't one of the ones that we have learned about in this course, but it's one that I use a lot, especially whenever I'm traveling for work, traveling for business. It's helpful to have help with directions, and this gives you turn-by-turn directions.
Head northwest on Dixon Drive.
Already knows my home. It's telling me it's going to take me 27 minutes. And that's my daily commute to work. Very helpful, especially when you're trying to avoid traffic. And then last but not least is Google Drive, which really is kind of like a dashboard or a portal to get to all of the Google apps. Inside here, you click on the plus and you can create folders, upload, use your camera, go to the main, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. For this, we're going to go ahead and create a folder. We're going to name that folder, I don't know, iPhone. Let's create that folder. And so now if we click on our files folder structure, we have our Kinesiology 205 with all the documents in there. But we also have this iPhone folder we just created. Say we want to create a Google document in there. Just click on Google Docs from within Google Drive. We're just going to call this 1. And there you go. And then from here it's just like using Google Docs like you normally would, but from launching it from Google Drive.